Hi there, I'm Rio. It's good to see you again, my Homo brothers. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. I am here with a purpose of reminding us of our beauty, of our wholeness, of our perfection. And that is essentially what this video is about. We as gays, as gay men, have been fed lies. From the moment that we were little, we ingested these toxic lies that there was something about us that we needed to be ashamed of. This toxicity runs through our entire lives, runs through our communities and our relationships with each other. It has affected who we believe ourselves to be on a deep fundamental level. It has also affected the way that we interact with each other, how we perceive each other, how we try to get something from the other. And I just want to remind you that not only are you not something to be ashamed of, not only should you have pride in who you are, that you are a unique creative force in this world. You have special energy that you are bringing to this world by being yourself. I can't even get it out of my mouth. So excited. Simply by being you. You bring value to this world. You help by shining your light, by being who you are, which sometimes for us is the most hard thing to do in the entire world, right? I'm 49 years old. It has taken me a long time to actually feel like, whew, I don't hate myself, and to actually have moved into the space of like, actually, I think I love myself. So much so that I'm going to put myself on YouTube and I'm going to talk to you, because I know that you also have beautiful gifts to be giving this world. And simply by being you, by allowing yourself to bring back, call back all of the original gifts that you have, right? That when you were a child, you had all of these things already imbued within you. You can probably go back and look at photos and videos of yourself as a child and see like, wow, he was so creative. He was so brave. He was so loud and fun and boisterous, and had very specific things he wanted to do. And some of those things might have gotten lost over time. That brightness, that brilliance, walking through life and having experiences and feeling heavy with the shame that that has been the lie we were told, that changes who we are. And so the act of healing, of bringing yourself back together, of finding your true essence and finding that original current, that current of energy that's so special and unique, specifically to you, that is bright and brilliant and genius. These aren't just words that I'm saying. This is the truth. This is the truth. And something in you lights up when you remember that. That light, that's what you're here to offer. That's what I'm here doing, is expressing what's in me, because I can't help it, right? When we heal, when we get to unburden ourselves from the shame, when we start to see, wow, I really love myself, I'm a really incredible person. When we start to do that, so it's not just healing for healing's sake. It's healing because what happens is that there is an emanation that will come from us. There are gifts that will come from us when we are connected to our love for ourselves and that truth of who we actually are. When that happens, we are radiant beings. That's the gift. That's how I know you're special and beautiful and radiant and an incredible energy to offer this world. Because you were born gay. Because you were born a homo, because you were meant to stand out. And that standing out has caused a lot of pain. I know, I get it. And it can be your greatest contribution. It can be your most fulfilling life when you embrace that difference, when you embrace the gifts that you have. I just needed to share that with you today. This needed to be your reminder in this moment, because we can't hear it enough. We've heard the other mess for so long that we need to reiterate to ourselves and each other, you're amazing. I see you. You're beautiful. You're bright. You're brilliant. Keep going. The keep going part is so important, because I know how easy it is to want to give up. When it looks like the external world is not validating what we might even feel inside, I know I'm special, but no one else seems to be able to see this. Keep going. There's more healing for you, right? When the external world isn't reflecting that back to us, it's reflecting some part in us that doesn't still believe it. I know that's hard to hear because we want that external validation, but it has to start here and here, right? Whatever you feel you're connected to, I call it God. When we can connect to that, that's the only validation we need. Source, universe, life, unconditional love. Let that pour into you, like this light that's starting to come into my room right now. I can feel the heat. I can feel that love, right? That light feels like love on my chest. And there you have the ability to connect to that. And I hope that in this video, it just reminds you of your brilliance, of your light, of your reason for being here. And any pain that's gotten in the way, that will be part of the story that you tell others, whether that's explicitly tell a story or you hold the frequency of someone who's been through some shit and made it through. We need to be able to see each other as strong, and we need to be able to see each other as soft. I'm so glad you're here on earth, still in this moment, that you've kept going. Because that means that there's a will in you, and it means that there's something that you still have to express, or you wouldn't be here. So I'm glad you are. I want to let you know that if you need a free resource, if you need something to come back to remember your beauty, your radiance, your brilliance, your perfectness, that I have that free resource. Below, you'll find a link for a self-love workshop that I created a couple of months ago. It was a live workshop that I did that I now offer to you for free. When you sign up for that, you're signing up for my newsletter, and you will receive information about something that's coming very soon that I'm looking forward to sharing. I've done 16 years of working with people one-on-one and in some groups. And over that time, I have amassed so much information about how we move from pain into a life that's fulfilling and purposeful and a dream life in a lot of senses. And so I am in the process of creating a program that will run for 2025 for us. And it's called Lifted Men. If you want to be one of the first people to hear about it when it launches, I would be honored to have you in my newsletter mailing list. And for those who are interested in working with me one-on-one instead of a program, I am still offering a few one-on-one spots, but only for about 6 more weeks. And then all of my attention is going to go into this program. So all of that can also be found in the information on my website, and I will be running a couple of promos on my one-on-one work, again, in my newsletter. I'm not trying to force you in there, but I want you to know that it's all available. I love you so much, and I hope that you can feel the love that you have for yourself, that God has for you, that life has for you, and thank you so much for being here. See you soon.